So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire gallery bottom freezer Icemaker not working, fan fill and Icemaker test. So fix 1 is reset the Icemaker, unplug the refrigerator for 5 minutes, wait for 5 minutes before plugging it back in. Ensure the refrigerator is securely plugged in after the wait. Ensure the wire signal arm is in the down or on position. Verify the plastic pedal is correctly positioned based on the specific gallery model. Second fix is defrost ice gems and the full tube. Locate the fill tube at the back of the ice maker which drips water into the ice mold. Use a hairdryer on a low setting or a warm, damp cloth to melt any ice blockage in the fill tube and inside the ice maker. Third fix is check freezer temperature. Set freezer temperature to 0°F or -18°C or lower. Ensure thermostat triggers the harvest cycle. Avoid warmer temperature to maintain efficiency. Fourth fix is replace the water filter. Locate the filter in your fridge, typically the upper left or bottom grill. Replace the filter if it is older than 6 months. If the filter is loose, remove it and reinstall until it clicks securely. Fifth fix is check the water supply. Fill the refrigerator slightly away from the wall. Check the water in line behind the fridge for kinks, pinches or crushes. Ensure the home water shut-off valve is completely open. Thanks for watching.